This is a review video of the Logitech Casa pop-up desk kit with a laptop stand, wireless keyboard, and touchpad. I purchased this item because I wanted a portable, all-in-one solution for creating a comfortable and efficient workspace anywhere in my home. With its sleek design and compact storage, it seemed like the perfect way to keep my work life organized and my space clutter-free. I like to use this for working from various spots around the house, whether it's at the dining table, a kitchen countertop, or even a sunny corner. Its versatility makes it ideal for remote work or studying. Some of the features include an ergonomic laptop stand that raises your screen to eye level, improving posture and reducing strain during long hours. The Casa Keys wireless keyboard has a laptop-like feel that's minimalist and easy to use. The Casa Touch wireless touchpad, which offers smooth, intuitive navigation. Compatibility with a wide range of laptops from 10 to 17 inches and support for multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac, iPad, and Chrome. It's powered by Bluetooth Low Energy and charges via USB-C, making it both modern and efficient. So my final thoughts, the Logitech Casa pop-up desk kit is an excellent solution for anyone looking to create a flexible, comfortable workspace. It's perfect for remote workers, students, or anyone wanting to maximize their home office potential. When the workday is done, you can fold it away and reclaim your living space. Stylish, functional, and compact, this kit checks all the boxes.